Okay, I am going to show you how to access your race bib number. Right now, I am on the 2023 Race at Your Own Pace landing page where you can sign up, register. Once you've already created your account, you can come back to this page and you're going to click in the upper top right corner on this little profile circle. And you're going to sign in. I've already got all my stuff saved in here, so you put your email and your password, and it's just gonna log you right in. You're gonna go back to that same little circle, and you're gonna click on Profile. Nothing else, Profile. Okay, now you're gonna see that kind of in the middle of the page, we've got these tabs, and the one that is already open is the upcoming events. In the list that you can click from here, we have at the bottom of that, View Digital Bib. You're going to click on that and it's going to open up your bib. Now all you have to do is click Print and it's going to automatically link up to whatever printer you have at home, and you can just click your little print icon and it'll send it off to your printer. Okay, so it's that easy. So let me also show you, this is in desktop mode on an Android phone. So if I take it off of that, you're going to see the mobile version. I'm not sure, it might look different on iPhones, but this is what it looks like on my phone. Everything's a little bigger. Again, you're just going to go up to your little profile button. You're going to click profile. And now you actually do have to scroll a little bit to that upcoming events section. I actually like this version better. It's a little more clear cut. And then you'll just repeat that, going to the View Digital Bib. It's going to open that up. You're going to hit print. It's all the same from there. Something I just want to show you. Don't worry about any of this other stuff down here for the sake of the bib. Ignore it. You're just going to stick to this upcoming events section. Okay? So that is how you access your bib number for printing. I hope that helps.